Alright, good morning everyone. So today is Thursday, marks another trading day of the week. So with today's pre-market analysis, the first pair on the list is USDJPY. USDJPY. So on USDJPY, we are starting from the 3 month time frame. As you all know, of late we are going to the higher time frame like the 3 months. You might be going to the 6 month or the yearly time frame pretty soon. But for now, let's be moving to the 3 months because of how the market has been moving. We have not really seen the structure, so let's start from there. So on the 3 month time frame, I have my 3 month upper zone here, midway zone here, and the lower zone here. So on the 3 month time frame, I could say USDJPY is in a bullish form. You are looking at a bullish market. So if you are looking at a bullish market, as you go through the lower time frame, you are supposed to look for buying opportunities. Buying opportunities. So let's go down to the monthly. Okay. So here on the monthly, I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly midway zone here. So on the monthly time frame, just like I said, on the 3 months, we are in a bullish market. And if you watch closely, there is a very strong buy pressure at this monthly zone, and there's price is forming selling pressure at this zone. So which we can say price is moving in a consolidation zone over here. But it looks like a consolidation, but it's really price uh, might be breaking out of the consolidation anytime soon. But until then, we still wait and see how price will move. So now, as you go to the lower time frame, let's see if you get a buying opportunity from here all the way here, because price has touched the resistance and I dropped to the support again. So you are supposed to buy from a support, sell at a resistance. So let's see if you buy from this support all the way up. So let's go to the weekly. Okay, so here on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly midway zone here. So on the weekly time frame, we are seeing the exact same structure we saw on the monthly. So let's go to the daily. So here on the daily, I have my daily upper zone here. So on the daily time frame, yeah, there's really not much to say. Just you can see price moving in a series of higher highs and higher lows, like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We are looking at a high. This might be a higher low. Then we continue to the upside. So let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so here we are on the 4 hour time frame, and I have my 4 hour midway zone here. So this is actually a very nice, beautiful setup. So why this is a beautiful setup? Because price broke out of the 4 hour resistance zone, and we could see the raters coming in now. The raters coming in now. So what we need is a confirmation. What you have to wait for is a confirmation at this 4 hour zone. If we get a confirmation, then we buy all the way to the upside. Buy all the way to the upside. So if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link will be in the description. And I'm very sure if USDJPY wants to go up, wants to continue going to the upside, you get that kind of confirmation today and take the trade today. and take the trade today. So we might be holding through the weekend. So just be on standby. When I get a confirmation I want, I'll drop the signal in the community for everyone to take. For everyone to take. So this will be the setup on USDJPY. Yeah, that's a very nice trade. Here will be our first target. After we hit TP1, then move stop loss to break even and hold a risk-free trade all the way to our final target. Or you can just hold, you can close at TP1 and find a re-entry, or you just hold for the actual target, which is over here. So that's it on USDJPY. Let's move on to the next pair. Okay, so the next pair on the list is AUD card. AUD card. The next pair on the list is AUD card. So on AUD card, I have my 3 month upper zone here, midway zone here, and the lower zone here. So right now on AUD card, we are looking at a bullish structure. Previously it was bearish and price is looking like it changing. So let's go to the monthly time frame and explain it better. So here on the monthly time frame, I have my monthly upper zone here, my monthly lower zone here. So on the monthly time frame, this explains it well. So you could see there is a high selling pressure over here and a strong buying, let me draw it well, and a strong buying pressure over here at this this buy at this zone is very strong and the sell at this zone is very strong. So this is why I said price is currently moving to the upside. Previously, we sold and it hit our target. And even currently, if you are in the trading community, we are in a trade on this particular pair, but we are going to pick another entry again. So if you don't want to be missing on setups like this, just click on the link which will be in the description and join the Telegram community. So on the monthly time frame on AUD card, we are moving to the upside. We are moving to the upside. So let's look for buying opportunity from here all the way to the upside. Okay, let's go to the weekly. Okay, so here we are on the weekly time frame on AUD card, and I have my weekly midway zone here. So on the weekly time frame, price looks like price is kind of bearish. Yeah, because there's a weekly resistance here. There's a weekly resistance here. So price might see selling opportunity and drop to the downside again. If you watch it closely, price might see selling opportunity and drop to the downside. So we are not so sure about the buy yet. Looking at the market right now, there's enough selling pressure coming in from here. So you let's go to the daily and see what you can get there. Okay. So on the daily, I have my daily upper zone here and my daily lower zone here. So on the daily time frame, price, okay, the daily time frames explain it better. So yeah, so we are definitely going to take the buy on CAD JPY because this was a resistance. Price reacted to it. That's the candle that we saw here. Because it's a resistance, price reacted to it. but and it's normal. Price always react to support and resistance. If they are valid zones, if they are valid zones, price will always react to it. But that doesn't move means it will change the direction of the trend. It might change it, but it might not change it, depending on how strong the trend is. So let's go to the 4 hour and prepare for an entry on AUD card. Let me clear this. So on the 4 hour on AUD card, I have my 4 hour midway zone here. My 4 hour midway zone here. So on the 4 hour, price has broken out of the 4 hour resistance, gone to tap into the weekly zone, then we are seeing the retest coming in. So what you have to do is just wait for AUD card to drop into this zone, give us the candle confirmation we need, then we buy on AUD card all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. So this will be the setup, how we pick the trade and enjoy the ride all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. Okay, this will be the setup on AUD card like this. You enjoy it all the way to the upside. Okay, so that's it on AUD card. Let's move on to the next pair, which is card JPY. Card JPY. So on card JPY, you are starting from the 3 month time frame. So on the 3 month time frame, card JPY is definitely moving to the upside. We are looking at a bullish market. We are looking at a bullish market. So here on card JPY, I have my 3 month upper zone here and the lower zone here. The upper zone and the lower zone. So what you are looking at on CAD is a bullish market. So let's move on to the monthly time frame and see what price is doing over there. So here on the 3 month time frame, I have my on the monthly time frame rather, I have my monthly up midway zone here, my monthly lower zone here. So on the monthly time frame, we say price is moving to the upside like we saw on the 3 months. So let's move on to the weekly and see what price is doing there. So here on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone, my weekly midway zone here. So on the weekly time frame, like I said, on the monthly and the 3 months, we are moving to the upside, but the weekly time frame is creating a series of lower lows, a series of lower lows. So as we go to the lower daily time frame, we expect to see a bullish market. Then it aligns with the monthly, so we can pick the trade. If not, then we still wait. So this is the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high, low, high. And we saw a break to the downside, creating a low, an equal low, then you see a push to the upside. So this might actually be a formation of a change of character coming in. So because of this double bottom, we might see a change of character come in anytime soon. But let's just go to the daily and see what you can get from there. So here on the daily time frame, we are definitely moving to the upside from the daily because of the double. This was actually a triple bottom, then a push to the upside, creating a higher high, a higher low, a new high, a new low. Then we see the high and the low, and the formation comes in like that. Then the formation comes in like that. So Let's go to the 4 hour and prepare for an entry. Okay, so on the 4 hour, I have my 4 hour midway zone here, my 4 hour lower zone here. So on the 4 hour time frame, you could say price is moving to the upside. Price is moving to the outside because price broke out of the 4 hour resistance here, went all the way to the upside, came back for a retest, and we are expecting price to move from here all the way to the upside. But it's not always that price will do that. Price can drop all the way here again and move to the upside. So what you are going to be expecting on CADJPY is if we get the candle confirmation that we need from here, then we buy all the way to the upside. Then we buy all the way to the upside. But if we don't get, then we wait for price to drop all the way here, give us the candle confirmation, then we still buy all the way to the upside, all the way to the upside. So either this or this, any of them price gives us, we'll take it. So that's it on CADJPY, and that's it on today's pre-market analysis. You can help grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking this video and any other video you see on the channel, commenting something nice, or if you have a request, you can also leave it in the comment section, and also share it with your family and friends so they can also get to know what's going on over here. So that's it on today's pre-market analysis, and peace. I'm out.